Lowe's F1 race car.
Yep.
Going to the instructions. In case you guys lost your instructions, here they are. Everything's been pre-drilled.
And look at this so far.
Yep. There's the piece. We put the spoiler on.
Yep.
Right. Nails, 2 of the long nails, according to the instructions here.
Yep.
Okay, and then it says, oop, actually we screwed up. We started at number 3. Let's go to number 1. Attach bumper to the car body using the 2 short nails. All right, so we got, this is the bumper. And we got, I think the nails, they're going to go from the bottom up here, I think, right?
So number 1.
How this, what were you eating with this?
Nothing.
My God, man.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
I wasn't eating anything.
Really? All right, we got, okay, I got them started here. Now let me get my,
Yep.
let me get my fingers over here so you can smash my hand and I'll hit the nails. Yeah, I'll put it up there now. You got them started. All right, there you go. Ooh, we got a little crazy there. Okay. Hold on. Hit it from, you gotta get them a little bit. Here, hit them from this side. That way you can get them tapped down a little bit. Are they tight yet? No, a couple more taps, I think.
Okay.
Yeah. It's, no, you gotta get that one. See that nail right there?
What nail?
Still sticking up there. See that one?
Yes.
Give that one a couple more taps. Holy cow. Okay, give her a couple more taps. Couple more taps.
3.
One more tap. Here, why don't you hold the car and I'll give it a couple taps.
Don't smash my fingers.
Oh!
Ow!
Right.
We're just joking.
I think we're on. Okay, that one's on. So
Yeah, we're just joking, everybody.
just joking. He's not really hurting.
No.
Nobody called the cops. Cap screwdriver to the car body using 1 long nail. All right.
One long nail.
So put a long nail
Yeah.
in that hole right there. Okay. Now,
It's terrible.
how are we gonna put his head on here? He's gonna be. Is he just gonna? That's his face right there.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let's put him on the bench here once.
Yeah.
Maybe we can just tap him.
Like, puppy.
Okay. Can you tap lightly?
Yeah.
Lightly. Hold on. Here. Hold on to that. What? Oh, wait. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, why are you so annoying? You been drinking all night?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Okay. Okay, get my fingers out of the way. Wait. Okay, give him a couple taps. Hold on. This is not working. This is not working.
No.
Let me take a seat here.
Let's take me a seat too.
All right. Well, my butt doesn't fit in this chair. Okay. All right. Let me get this here.
Yeah, man, so hard breaks pieces. Yeah.
Okay, let me grab this thing. Maybe we should tip it upside down and try to do the nails in the bottom the way we're supposed to.
Yeah.
All right, like that.
Yes.
Okay, I'm on the pre-drilled hole. Okay, I'll pound on his helmet a little bit. Just tappy tap.
Tappy. Hey,
Hey, watch what you're doing.
Tap.
Try hitting the head a little bit. There you go. Here, now you're getting there. It's moving now. Give it a couple more. You doing anything?
Yes.
I'm glad my finger isn't there. Here, hold on. Let's try this. Okay, hold on to the hammer. You got the hammer?
Yeah, I'm
Okay, hold on. Let's put it up on. Oh, we lost the nail and everything. Okay, let's try this again. We're making this look easy. Everyone's gonna think this is a super easy project because it's so easy for us to do this.
Yeah.
All right, put the head
And
there.
don't use instructions. You're YouTube.
Really? Don't use instructions?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's a whole Christmas.
Okay, let's put it over here on the anvil.
Yeah.
All right, now, okay, let me get my fingers out of the way. Oh, good gravy. Okay, hold on.
Gravy.
Why are you standing on top of a chair?
Just
wait. Okay, I think let's try that once. Oh, my thumb is going to hurt. Oh, hit the nail.
Yeah.
Hit the nail. Try hitting the nail. Hit the nail. Stop. Let's just call that on. Let's just say that's on. You can turn it. You did that on purpose. So you can turn it a little bit. That's perfect. Oh my God. Okay, stop that. Okay, what's the next one? We got number 1 done. Number 2, attach the cab to the car using 2 short nails.
And fart then.
Really? So which end is up with this? Here, you put this on.
I don't know.
Okay, I'll get the short nails. Okay, set it on here.
Where do you put this?
Oh, right there on top of these 2 holes. Just like the picture shows. Okay. And then, is this the top side? Yeah, I know, I guess it looks most. Alright,
Yeah.
let's put these 2 nails in here.
Yes,
This is a pretty complicated project here.
Yeah.
Okay, get these nails.
Everybody thinks that this is on YouTube. Everybody thinks that nobody did this on YouTube, but we did.
Oh, yeah, we're going to be... Everyone needs to put this together. Is going to be looking for our stuff. Okay, now, can you very carefully...
Smash your
No,
fingers.
just tap it a little bit. Each one, no, tap the other one a little bit.
Tap, 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 tap. Done.
I think this one, because this one could go down a little more yet. See how that one's up yet?
Yep. Done.
Okay, let me just give it just a final little... All right, we'll call that good.
Yeah, I told that, dude.
Okay, so are we all done now?
No, we have lots more nails and lots more.
Okay, let's go back to the instructions. Okay, so we got the body on. Attach 1 wheel to an axle using 1 short nail. Repeat for the second wheel and axle. Okay.
Yep.
All right, so we gotta have one of these.
And you know what?
So you want a short one,
It's
right?
in our shop here where our car is.
Okay.
Back there.
Okay, well, I'm gonna put this together. You said a short one. I keep on trying to grab the long one. Okay, we got that in there. Maybe we can do it on here. Okay, put that like that. Okay, can you?
Fart.
That's enough with the farting already. Okay, let's give it a couple little taps. Just tap it lightly. A little more, a little more. A little more. Okay, oh, you hit bottom, you hit bottom. Oh, that's enough.
Oh yeah. Daddy,
Yes, sir.
can I smash your fingers?
Yes, please do. That would be awesome.
Smash. We're just tuning.
There we go. All right, let's try that one again. Put it
Yeah.
like this.
Can I smash my fingers?
Okay, we got it started in here. All right, I'll just tap it lightly now. I want to keep my hand. Hey, a little lighter, a little lighter. Hey, that's good. That's good. We're losing
Oh yeah.
ancient Indian artifacts here.
Oh,
What was this from here? Up here
that-
somewhere?
that-
That was that close?
this,
Okay.
this was in there.
Okay, now we gotta put the other hat. Let's see. Hold on. Let's see what this is. So we got that done, right?
We don't need that.
Now we got number 4. Slide the
what?
short axle through the front car body and attach the second wheel using 1 short nail as shown. So you got a shown as shown.
Shown.
As shown. Okay.
Ooh.
That seems right. Okay. Put this through right here. 1
By one.
short axle. Okay. Put that up there, right?
Yeah.
One of these.
The
I'm gonna put that on, or you want me to put it on?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, put that on there.
And then
Back to
put.
here. Okay. All right, now you're gonna have to be.
Gentle.
Yeah, I think you know how to be gentle. Uh-oh, we just lost the wheel.
I'll be there.
Start this over. Okay, we got another nail here. Okay, this one here. That one. This one here.
Where's my nail?
This one here. I don't know where's this one from. We got a lot of extra nails.
Oh, that one's from that
I don't think
tree
it's from up
thing.
there.
That one was from the tree thing, Bobber.
Okay, now just
Yeah.
try to hit.
That.
Are you listening?
Yes.
Okay, listen. Before you get the hammer, try to hit this and not this. Okay.
E.
All right. I think we're good there. Okay. Repeat using long axle and wheel for rear of car body.
Repeat.
Repeat. Rinse and repeat.
Rinse, repeat. Rinse, repeat.
Okay. Okay.
Now carefully don't smash this. Cause it's handbrake.
All right. Don't smash my finger. There There you go. Merry Christmas. The final toy has been assembled. You can be one of Santa's elves next year once you put your application in. Here, let's get a picture of your nice car there. I want to get out of the light here.
Where should we put it, Dad?
We got to put some stickers on it. Yeah, isn't there stickers in the house?
Should we don't put stickers on there?
Yeah, let's go put stickers on. Let's
But
go
we
in the house,
don't
put the
paint
stickers on.
it.
Okay, well, we got to do stickers first, right? All right, let's go put our
Where should
stickers
I hold it?
in the house.